Welcome to the part 2 of the video, guys. Tonight, I think I succeed into installing the games like I promised you from the last time. I know it's been more than several days since I started to film this project about the issues that I encountered and the problems with the components. But I think tonight, after a long research, I have managed to reinstall the games that were needed back then. So anyway, let's start with the video card. The video card that you see right here, this is the Asus the 7300, the 7000 series GeForce. Is GeForce from Asus 7300 LE. Is with the 64-bit, of course, because the 128-bit is larger and it has more memory chips on it, and this is very different than 128-bit. And I ended up by using the Creative sound card for the PCI standard. This one was working fine back in the day, and I'm not sure if it's working the same anymore. So I did try finding the proper drivers, but somehow, since the Windows 98 is very outdated and is very old, you'll be having the issues with the drivers. So using the Windows 98 and the 4 megabyte the video card from the Pentium one, 166 that you saw in my videos, it's not very pleasant, very how should I say, very convenient, because I was thinking by using this, but since the Windows 98 they're not making the drivers anymore, and you'll have a hassle by trying to find something that is not actually working properly. So anyway, without further ado, let's start with the computer and show you the games I have reinstalled already. You'll be hearing the welcome for the Windows, as you probably know from the Windows 98. It's very pleasant for me. I do like it. So the retro machines, the retro machines are always it just brings back the good memories and all kind of good things, of course. The Windows 98 started. You see the error that I was telling you about. For some reason, the Creative Sound, the Sound Blaster, gives me the error all the time, and so every time I'm starting the computer on. So all I have to do is just find another driver and uninstall the previous drivers, because this one gives me a lot of problems. But you can skip this and go to the And if you focus right here, we do have the Need for Speed 2, Need for Speed 3, and the Mortal Kombat 4. The inside right now there is the I'm gonna have to eject right here. Inside there is the Mortal Kombat 4. This one right here is the Mortal Kombat 4, the original disc, of course. I'm not using any pirated software. And I'm going to show you the Need for Speed, Need for Speed 2 first, so you can make an idea. Back in the day at the internet cafe, this Windows, there were the Celeron computers, and they were having the games, and I do remember back in the day the Need for Speed 2 that was very awesome back then, and I was very pleasant surprised by the graphics and all of that. And it had, of course, the music. It had, and there was a lot of fun playing it. So anyway, this is how the installer. I already installed the game. Sorry for the bulb that is showing there all the time. I know it's reflecting because since it's CRT. I cannot set anything at the game setup so far, so we're going to go for the quick race.
Three, two, one, go!
So the game's running flawlessly. Using this processor, the Core 2 Duo, it helps a lot for the games to run properly. But I will not be able to run the PCIe for the PCI Express port to run the GeForce without changing the software. So yeah. So I'm going to skip. I'm going to quit pardon the game and try the Need for Speed 3. Yeah, so the graphics card is working fine. There are graphics cards out there that you can try on the PCI standard that it will had the artifacts problem. Some of them will not work. So I recommend you, when you try buying this, please test it out first before buying it, because you will end up like me, just maybe they are having some of the problems, or who knows what else. Okay, I have restarted already the game, so I'm going to hit play.